I want to thank you, President Zelenskyy, for your very warm welcome to Kyiv, and I want to thank you for your remarkable leadership, which is greatly admired in Ireland. I'm here, first of all, to express Ireland's solidarity with the government and people of Ukraine. We admire you, and we are with you. Russia's brutal war against this beautiful democratic country is a gross violation of international law. It is an affront to everything that Ireland stands for. It cannot and it will not be allowed to stand. This morning I visited the towns of Borodianka, Irpin and Bucha to witness at first hand the horrific reality of war on the people of Ukraine. And I met with the local representatives who told me in great detail the atrocities that occurred, but also the huge need in terms of reconstruction, and particularly in terms of getting schools and kindergarten open this September. The use of terror against and the deliberate targeting of civilian populations are war crimes. Those responsible, those carrying out these actions and those directing them will be held fully accountable, and there will be no hiding places, and that is why we have provided additional funding to the International Criminal Court to give it the capacity to follow up on these crimes. I'm here today to say to you, President, and to the people of Ukraine, that you have spoken and the world is listening. You are being heard. A war intended to crush and fragment a people has instead made you stronger, more united, more convinced of your identity and place in the world, your language, your culture, your European vocation. The world has been humbled by the strength and resilience of the people of Ukraine. As your anthem says, the glory and freedom of Ukraine has not perished yet. As far as I am concerned, it never will. Long live Ukraine! Slava Ukraine!